Crypto is basically digital money. It's right there on your phone and it works just like regular cash. लेकिन crypto banks के through नहीं जाता. Crypto runs through a system called blockchain. Blockchain is a track record of all the transactions which are made through crypto. It's safe, it's secure, so people can't easily cheat the system. Bilal bin Saqib is heading Pakistan's crypto council, and earlier this year he mentioned creating a crypto reserve. Basically means कि पाकिस्तान की national money का कुछ हिस्सा crypto में रखा जाए instead of just gold or US dollars like before. लेकिन क्यों? While Pakistan's economy is struggling, our rupee is weak and we depend a lot on foreign loans. So the government is looking into new alternatives to keep as reserves. एक और चीज, inflation. इसका तो बहुत सुना होगा. This is basically when currency loses value and things get more expensive. Crypto can protect against inflation. If the rupee keeps falling, crypto could hold its value better. Banking systems में time लगता है, fees होती हैं, paperwork होता है. Sending money across countries with crypto is way faster and cheaper than old school banking. Let's say if Pakistan does take this step, it might create new job opportunities for Pakistanis in this field. Crypto prices go up and down a lot. One day it may be worth plenty and the next not so much. This price swing is called volatility. This makes crypto a bit risky to invest in. And because crypto is online, scammers love it. Crypto is not accepted everywhere yet. You can't just walk into a grocery store and buy stuff with Bitcoin. It's not widely accepted as regular money in countries. Plus, it requires good tech understanding. These transactions can all be a bit confusing if you're not as smart with technology. So what's the deal? Right now it's just an idea, but the Pakistani government is considering. If it's done right with smart tech, it could give Pakistan's economy a much-needed push. It could bring Pakistan closer to a modern and digital future.